Aku sampai nyetok itu apa Inpepsa di kamar. Kemarin aku yang nggak sanggup jalan anjir.
You've done a great job of getting yourself here. Now we just gotta keep. Okay, I promise
Ya,
you.
kenyang banget.
Western is the place for you to find
Padahal aku hari ini
yourself.
cuma
They
makan
have
bubur.
plenty of
Aneh ya.
respectable majors for you to
Tapi aku
choose
masih
from.
pengen kayak makan yang asin-asin. Kenapa ya?
Dad didn't major in anything respectable. But he didn't even go to college, and look where he is.
Well, your dad is extremely talented. But it was my relationships from Northwestern and Wharton that were the foundation that carried us up this hill.
Okay, Mom, I just need to...
No, Justin.
Aku ada makanan satu lagi. Latiau. Pak, aku ambil ya. Bentar, aku ambil dulu.
I am here.
Sebentar ya, teman-teman.
The stakes of the real world are.
Akan ku ambil latiau itu.
You are a black man in America. You have to be undeniable. And a reputable degree from an elite institution won't even promise you that, but that's the best shot. I know.
You just have it all planned out, don't you?
No. No, we have a plan. And we are sticking to it. You can't afford to be wishy-washy. A man has to know how to follow through. Basketball. And an early decision application for Northwestern.
My ADHD is my superpower.
Ini
The
mau
rest of the
kai.
world looks at a situation and sees one or two paths.
Ini namanya latiau.
I mean, I had to learn how to come to terms with this unique
Halo,
fact
kursi.
about myself because
Ini namanya
as a
latiau,
child,
guys.
I often felt inadequate because I was so different from everyone else.
Aku mau tulisan.
Damn, you look hotter than a bowl of ramen.
Mau lihat nggak guys? Ada yang mau makanan aku. Enak.
Thank you for taking care of me through this.
Latiau itu makanan Cina
I'm not going anywhere.
kayaknya.
I'm here for you always.
Can I just stay on the phone with you until I fall asleep?
Yeah.
Iya, ini latiau.
I love you
Apa? Jualan lakban lagi? Serius, kalau aku jualan lakban lagi, kalian pada beli nggak? Moka, itu tong sampah.
Wake up. Your mom's.
Astaga nih anak.
Let me know if y'all need anything.
Aku baru cobain latiau satu dari Malaysia sih, itu enak banget. Cuma aku lupa nama mereknya apa. Serius ya? Iya, gue yang antar. Antar kemana?
Keisha. It hurts
Ini dari
as your mother to know that I wasn't able to protect you. And I know
bentar.
I can't rewind time.
Gimana
or
sih cara
change what
liatnya?
happened.
Nggak tahu, nggak ngerti.
Someone should pay.
I'm sorry I didn't tell you when it happened. I was just trying to navigate it on my own.
Hai.
And I regret trusting Christian with that part of me.
Ih, nggak bisa
But
dikeluarin.
I've gotten the closure I needed from him. I just wish I could forgive myself.
What do you mean?
I sent him
Entar.
the video.
Namanya Tang Tang.
I'd still be at Brookwood if I hadn't
Nih SS.
betrayed myself.
Tang Tang. Nggak tahu, aku beli dari cici-cici gitu.
I talked to a therapist.
Sama-sama.
Text him soon. I'm not playing with me.
Ya udah gas lah. Kamu emang mau beli berapa?
It was a
Gas-gas
short
aja.
consultation, but I think I like her.
Hai
Boyfriend's
TikToknya
mom.
siapa?
Gave me her number. No, don't roll your eyes.
Aduh, gue
If
banget.
it wasn't for her, who knows how long you would have kept lying to me. For life? After all you've done for me, I didn't want you to have to go through this. You made a mistake.
Ah,
You're a kid. You should be able to make a mistake.
capek ngunyah.
I made a mistake too.
Hai Anya. Hai.
The worst thing that could happen was you getting pregnant. I tried to shield you from that by scaring you.
Beli berapa ya? Katanya mau setruk.
I realized I didn't create an environment where you felt safe enough to
Kenapa tuh emot begini ya?
me in something like this.
Anjir, tangan aku bantet banget ya.
Is that your therapist? Yeah. I like her.
Kapan blunder lagi? Maksud tuh apa ya? Ih, blokir ah. Emang semua orang mau punya pengalaman buruk? Kan itu emang semua orang mau punya kejadian yang buruk. Emang semua orang mau melalui masa lalu yang berat itu. Kan gak ada yang mau.
Yeah. I am.
Kalau disuruh pilih juga aku gak mau kayak gitu. Makan latiau. Latiau.
Oh, what are you doing?
Ayo
Finish my
makin
application, man.
kasih.
You just signed the contract.
I didn't mean for you to say it. Just prioritize it. Don't ruin your life by being passive aggressive.
Yeah, well,
Kalian tahu
I
latte
needed to
nggak
get
sih?
it done.
You didn't want me to read over your essays?
Nope.
Aku dulu sebenarnya nggak terlalu pengen banget makan
Oke,
latiau
well,
karena aku pikir kayak dulu kan sempat viral banget kan.
Wouldn't hurt to have
Lalu kayak
another pair
apaan
by
sih?
side.
Kayak
Show
nggak
me the
enak.
essay page.
Cuma pas aku coba kayak
When I
enak
don't do
juga.
what you ask me, you're not happy.
Enggak.
When I do what you ask me, you're not
Pedesan
happy.
makaroni
When am I
ngehe,
gonna be
kalian
nice?
tahu nggak sih makaroni ngehe?
I know why you're rushing through this. Just so you can get back to her.
Okay.
Kembang tahu digulung. Maksudnya?
Is this your best
Emang ada?
suggestion?
Yes.
Just so we're clear, you're choosing to risk your future for a girl that broke your heart.
Like you said, it's my future, right?
Emang ini namanya kembang tahu gulung? Nah, ini dari kembang tahu. Terus latiau dari bahasa apa?
It's done.
Bukan, ini aku nggak ngerti sih, tapi bahasa orang Cinanya latiau. Ternyata alot nggak alot, enak tahu. Aku orang aring. Hah? Gluten berarti ini gula. Komposisi tepung terigu, pati tapioka. Udah nggak mau makan lagi deh, ada tepung. Nanti gendut anjir. Jangan kurus-kurus. Astaga lagunya, astaga. Iya, mungkin masih ada stok Inpepsa. Tuh Inpepsa di kasur. Jadi kalau nanti malam aku sakit, aku langsung kayak kocok-kocok Inpepsa langsung ambil buku tuh. Iya kan, aku emang sakit lambung. Enak tidur besok pagi. hanya tidur besok pagi. Hah?
Here we are, your favorite table. Thank you.
Jadi kemarin itu aku makan makaroni ngehe
In here like the moon.
I mean, I should be.
yang level
I
5.
got you, so.
Aku langsung abisin semuanya. Nggak semua sih, setengah. Terus aku makan satu lagi
Is this your first time here?
No, no, no.
bihun kering itu
No,
yang level 4. Aku telan semuanya. Terus abis itu malamnya aku langsung melili banget. Aku sampai sesak nafas, aku nggak bisa nafas.
Congratulations.
Kayak hampir ada 10 atau 20 detik. Terus aku sakit perutnya kayak sampai keringet dingin, nggak bisa jalan. Terus karena aku harus minum obat, jadi aku kayak sambil pegang-pegang perut aku ke depan kan buat cari obat di kotak obat. Terus ya udah abis itu aku langsung minum. Aku pun pegang sendok sama Inpep saya tuh gemeteran anjir. Terus habis minum aku langsung geletak di sofa bentar buat kayak guling-guling karena sakit. Habis itu baru deh ke kamar.
Congratulations. You gotta be very proud of yourself.
I am.
Makanya hari ini aku makan
We'll see you later.
bubur doang.
Alright,
Enjoy,
thanks,
enjoy, enjoy,
thanks,
enjoy.
Thank you.
Gimana enak banget.
What's up?
Aku masih ada
You
Mana?
just want to be together in college.
What? Wait. Where is this coming from?
Well, no, I mean, Howard's no longer a wish, so.
Justin.
ini kemarin.
I'm just asking.
Kok sampai tiduran di sofa begini anjay.
Yes. I want to stay together. Why wouldn't we?
Aku justru IF, aku ini karena makan pedas, makanya aku begitu.
Don't get into Northwestern. Chicago's
Sama
just
kecoa
too far
ya.
from here.
Sembarangan ya, stop. Untung itu aku lagi nggak nge-live di TikTok. Coba aku nge-live di TikTok, pasti banyak banget yang screen record. Aku ketakutan kecoa.
Best schools in the country.
Yeah, and one of the most rigorous. I mean, it'd be hell for me.
Okay, well, what about the music school? Is that something to, try and transfer into?
Okay, if I'm gonna go to school for 4 years, at least it has to be something that I'm excited about, like the music programs at Berkeley or NYU, you know? Then you'll only be a train ride away.
Your mom's gonna think that you sabotaged your application if you don't get it.
No,
Bangga aku bisa
not if I'm
menyaksikannya.
being proactive.
Nonton apa itu?
I
Forever.
hit her with the
Gak tahu aku
complete
juga
music
film apa.
portfolio and the best damn application at NYU.
Aku gak tahu mau nonton apa soalnya.
Okay, how you feel about tomorrow?
I'm nervous.
Why?
Because I don't know
Otot.
how my dad and George are
Otot,
gonna act,
otot.
how mom and my dad are gonna act. My dad's... He's alive.
Besok aku olahraga sore.
Champ is here. The champ
Pagi apa ya jam
Sissy,
7.
what do you mean?
The champ is
Aduh, tapi
The
udah jam 7
Dad, we're trying to pray.
Oh,
panas
shit.
nanti.
My bad. My bad. My bad.
Sore
So
udah
glad I
paling
said
benar,
so.
tapi sore ada kerjaan.
I love it when he comes.
Tapi aku
but
takut gendut.
he disrupts things.
Tapi kemarin aku udah olahraga. Gimana dong?
You and your mom all this time?
Iya, makanya aku kalau bangun jam 7 aku cuma tidur 6 jam, yang ada gak sehat. Ih, aku 2 hari gak ngepot. Oh, ini Karen. Lah,
I
kenapa?
know he loves me.
Maksudnya?
It's a little late.
Terus kenapa kalau
You think we
aku
should get back
Karen?
together?
No.
What's wrong?
I actually think it's hard for him. My granddad got drafted by the San Diego Padres, but he never got called up to the majors. Thanks to him.
Ih, tangan aku tuh kayak gendut gitu loh.
I'm proud of you.
Gimana cara tangannya nggak gendut? Kayak
I'm proud of you.
So when my dad
Bantet.
got drafted by the Atlanta Braves, George told him to go to college instead. So my dad went to college, and then the coach that recruited him left, and my
dia
dad just
ngasih
got stuck on
lengannya.
the
Tapi
bench.
nggak gede sih.
He didn't get drafted again.
Tapi kok kalau kayak begini gede.
Did George get it?
He has a lot of guilt, and my dad he's not mad.
Namanya
He's
juga
just
cewek.
still trying to prove George wrong. He's played baseball all over the world.
Ih, makanya sih.
No, I mean, that's-
Lucu
that's-
banget.
That's cool that his job
Tiny
picks up
Dini.
all over the world.
Loh,
Yeah.
di sini banyak ya
cool
ternyata
when
gift-giftnya.
you're looking at him like a person, but not so cool when you just
Tapi lengan aku gede gak sih?
Yeah.
Kayak
Sorry.
kayak
No, it's
gede.
cool. We found our
Iya emang bantet, ini bantet.
wherever he is.
Kalau aku
and
pakai
then I send him
nail,
back.
extension nail itu baru
That's
kayak
why
kelihatan
you
lebih
take pictures of
elegan,
random things.
elegan enggak,
It's just
lebih kayak lentik
became
gitu
easier
loh.
words.
Mm.
One day I'm just gonna take
Si
all
Gino
our
bukan
best
kamu.
daddy
Hah?
photos and just
Gede banget.
album
Apanya?
and wish
Lengan.
you were here.
Emang gede ya?
Dude, what are you doing?
Bro,
Udahlah
just-
besok aku diet. Aku nggak mau makan. Aku makan nasi setengah sama telur.
All right, man. Hey, you
Aku
went
back
way
on
too
track
deep.
lagi.
Well, you just max, you ain't shit.
Tapi hari ini aku juga tetap stay on track sih. Karena aku makan masih sehari sekali yang berat. Cuma ngemilnya aja yang banyak kayak makaroni ngehe. Terus makan tadi sale pisang. Terus Juhi, Milo dikit. Aku merasa tidak sehat.
Crazy.
Besok kita harus makanan sehat.
Dude, come on. No. Focus on the ass whooping. Give her a
Terus
minute to
makan
respond.
latiao tadi ya.
You know, see how our Saturday went.
Bro, she's gonna tell you, like, what?
Besok kita makan nasi. Kok espresso? Gimana kehidupan di sebelah kok es? Aku bakal coba
Hey. Where are you?
coba besok makan nasi setengah. Terus makan sayur, protein, udah deh. Makan sehari cuma sekali. Banyakin jogging aja kak sama pilih-pilih
I
makanan.
just wanted to, you know.
Aku sering jogging kok, tiap sore aku jogging. Pokoknya seminggu aku harus sekali jogging. Itu cowok aku. Kayak mana ya? Nah malamnya latihan, nggak boleh. Latihan itu dari tepung.
If you can't handle her being out with her friends
Tepung
for one
itu kan
day,
bisa
there's no way you're gonna be able to
mempengaruhi
handle no intimate facility.
Oh, fuck you.
itu.
I'm dead ass.
Itu
bro. Look at
pokoknya.
you. You look sick. You good?
Latihan enak
play the
banget,
game.
iya
I'll
emang
play the game.
enak.
I'll play the game. I'll play the game. Okay.
Play the
Tapi
All I'm
aku
saying is
diet,
if you don't get in the
jadi nggak
Northwestern,
boleh.
fight it Howard, 'cause your ass ain't surviving with that
Aku
shit.
tuh berat badan sekarang 47-46. Tergantung sih. Kadang kalau aku habis makan 47. Kalau nggak habis makan bisa 46-90, 46-60. Jadi kayak tergantung. Aku pengen turunin lagi ke 45 biar badanku kecil. Cowok you di mana? Hah? Siapa cowokku? Kok es? Kecil banget. Apanya kecil?
Y'all treating this like some damn meet and greet.
Kelahiran
Baby girl
berapa?
finally getting to the school of her dreams.
Aku 05.
Daddy ain't gotta pay no bills. Come on. You supposed to be partying.
Ih, kelihatan gendut. Oke, berarti begini lengannya.
I'm just here for the food.
1995 hapusat. Mirip-mirip Indonesia tuh 1945. Kenapa aku bendera putih? Hai kok es. Penang lems itu apa? Yang disuntik-suntik ya? Selama di BMI masih aman mah aman. Aku belum ngecek BMI lagi. Tidur dulu mau kemana? Karen cantik banget. Aku 06. Oh iya. Ceo tuh cewek cowok. YD tuh apa kok es? Tadi suara cowok. Enggak kok ini. Nih.
You?
Netflix. Ngaco. Aku lagi nonton Netflix.
You the boyfriend.
Oh cowok, kayak orang Cina. Ni hao.
Okay. You the one I gotta shake down, huh?
Hai Ko Vendetta. Astaga Ko Vendetta di mana-mana, di sebelah ada, di sini ada. Coba kok es single atau enggak?
Heard you was a DJ.
No, not
Nanya-nanya aja.
Oh. So maybe I'm confused about what you're doing. What about school? Heard you was going Northwestern.
Wacaton. Lu single
I'm
nggak?
sorry, I can't hear you.
Kalau
You
aku
scared?
single
Yeah,
kenapa?
I mean, I applied, but I don't know for sure until December.
Kehidupan di sebelah gimana? Ko Vendetta, Ko es.
Boyfriend don't seem
Baik-baik
confident.
saja kah? Punya 3 ya
You
pacar
gonna be dating my
maksudnya?
baby girl. You
Ih lucu banget, ini gift apa?
No, yeah,
Yeah, no.
Ya
She
elah,
wrong,
aku
though. You
SS-nya
got
muka aku lagi jelek lagi. Makasih Kak Vendetta. Anya umur berapa? Tebak. Loh, ini siapa? Itu belakang hancunya ini ya.
You gotta relax. Relax.
Bentar mikir. Aduh, nggak tahu, lupa.
Yeah, relax.
Itu istrinya Koes yang di tag.
You make
Iya
music,
nggak
right?
sih?
He does.
Pacar, istri.
Okay. Well, a party usually have music, right? Yep.
Elah,
Well, let's hear some of yours.
notif
You know what,
SMS.
Justin? You don't have to.
Yeah,
If you don't
babe,
want
you
to.
ain't gotta do that.
You good.
What, y'all want to hear his
Tebak
music?
bang katanya.
Music.
Okay, well, I ain't heard it. I'm curious. Am I the
How are
only
you
one to hear
doing?
that's
Can I
curious?
enter the alarm? Alarm apa? Cantik banget, terima kasih.
Look, just play them. Not okay.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's my favorite.
Sama wake up.
Look at this picture.
Iya anjir, aku kayak, wih
What's the
siapa
name
nih
of the
ngechat
song?
gue?
Not
Tahu-taunya
okay.
SMS.
Yeah, I want to hear that.
It's the Bose speaker.
Pernah ketemu di CP. Oh iya, kapan? Ih, kalau ada ketemu aku, sapa aja tahu kayak, hai Karen ya. Terus aku pasti bakal kayak, hai iya gitu.
Okay, hold up. Okay, Justin.
Nggak ada tato, kata siapa aku ada tato. Cici risih nggak kalau di foto? Kalau di foto diam-diam, sas lah, serem. Kecuali kalau kayak, maksudnya foto bareng gitu kayak, Ci aku boleh minta foto, itu baru boleh.
Oh, no, it's
Oh kalau foto bareng enggak.
it's a beat.
Kecuali kayak aku lagi jalan nih, tiba-tiba di foto cekrek gitu. Aku pernah soalnya.
I can ask some simple
Terus
questions.
dikirim pakai fake account. Ini kamu ya? Terus kayak,
That was really
Look, I was feeling it. Little Bob.
Yeah, me too. I was feeling it too. I was feeling it. Till it left me hanging. If you gonna make a career out of this, you gotta make songs. Making beats ain't gonna get you pulled up to the big show. You gotta be like Kanye. You gotta make the beat, you gotta write the lyrics, you gotta perform and control the marketing. Last time I checked, ain't nobody buying no damn role play.
Quincy,
Where
got a
are you
song?
from? I'm from
You know I ain't got no song,
Jakarta.
Pop. You know I play
And
baseball.
you?
You know that.
you play baseball? Are you playing?
Apaan sih? Stop ya.
All right. I'm gonna need everybody to take
Notif-notif palsu ini.
We're all here to celebrate my baby getting into Howard.
That's right.
Looking good, baby girl. Yeah.
It's you. Come on, you know. It's you.
If you're here for that, you can
Happy
leave.
birthday.
Exactly. But you know, I'm gonna play some music because y'all need to
Thank
chill.
you.
And he need to get off that bottle. Then come get some of this food too. Right? It's a party. We celebrate Keisha.
We got ribs, beans, green potatoes.
You are home.
I'm from Jakarta. Oh ya. You stay.
It's nice meeting you, boyfriend. Good luck
You
getting no
stay. Where do you stay? Kok you stay? Ini aku nonton Forever judulnya. Cici boleh cakap Mandarin. Ni hao. 我的名字是 Karen Natanya. 我叫 Karen. Apa lagi ya? 我在雅加达. Nggak tahu nadanya benar atau enggak, lupa. Aku udah lama nggak belajar bahasa Mandarin. Terakhir aku belajar Mandarin SMA. Itu pun SMA kepotong karena COVID. Aku malah justru lebih suka sama cowok yang beda umur jauh karena lebih mature. Aku nggak suka sama cowok yang seumuran karena pikirannya belum terlalu mateng dan belum terlalu mature. Sedangkan aku nggak cocok sama cowok yang bocil dan apa-apa minta orang tua. Aku 20. Iya,
Now
begitu
you're gonna
deh.
be starving. Cactus should go.
Hey,
Morning.
Some bagels.
OBH kami seset.
Or you stay sleeping.
You never get caught snoring.
Whoa,
Hey,
chill out.
hey.
Aku di mana ya? Cuma menerima om-om ya. Maksud om-om menurut kalian itu umur berapa?
You know you're gonna get in, right?
mm-hmm.
Astaga.
Jaden, get your
Jauh lebih tua lah, karena kalau kalau cewek itu lebih pemikirannya lebih cepat matang walaupun umurnya masih 20, 21. Tapi sebenarnya tergantung. Kalau cowok kan kadang yang umur 20, 25, 26, 27 aja kadang masih kecil pemikirannya. Lah jadi dia diterima apa enggak sih nih?
I'm in.
What?
I'm in.
You're in?
Hanya
Yes,
kok
Mama,
bisa ya?
man.
Bisa apa? Bisa stres, bisa gila. Bisa lah. Namanya juga hidup.
Go to North Western. You're going to North Western.
It doesn't.
Well, you better believe it's real. All
Umur
those prayers I pray.
berapa
Did you call
ya?
your dad?
No, not yet.
Oh my God, I'm gonna call your.
Mom, no, I wanted to tell you first.
God.
Aku jarang pakai liquid.
Yeah.
Aku pakainya cartridge soalnya relax.
Hey, babe. It's weird to say, but I'm sorry you got accepted into Northwestern. Here are your fake congrats balloons.
Stres itu biasa asal jangan gila.
You know, honestly,
Bukan enakan
Why
dewasa
should we-
bareng. Enggak. Aku udah dewasa. Jadi nggak butuh dewasa bareng. Jadi aku butuh yang lebih dewasa daripada aku.
Thank you so much for all your support.
Aku is a vape pun aku is a vape pun nggak kayak orang-orang. Kalau orang kan is a vape
Something low key.
yang kayak
Okay.
ditarik sampai
whatever.
masuk
You never
banget
wanna
gitu
make fuss.
kan.
I
Aku
guess
nggak
that's
bisa
my
kalau
job.
aku
But
tarik
the-
masuk malah batuk. Jadi
Johnny!
aku cuma kayak isep
Girl!
gitu doang. Cuma biar nggak bosen.
Keisha, do you want to stay for dinner? Like,
I will. Thank you, Mrs. Edwards. Thank you.
Kayaknya jarang tahu yang seumuran atau muda yang mature. Aku nggak pernah ketemu orang yang kayak gitu.
you.
Kecuali memang track recordnya dia ini ya, kayak misalnya punya banyak masalah di masa lalu dia, terus dia jadi belajar, terus dia tulang punggung, dia didewasakan oleh keadaan kayak gitu, itu baru. Tapi misalnya jarang
good
sih.
news, wiped her memories clean. So,
Kebanyakan cewek yang kayak gitu.
Okay, Justin.
Kenapa nggak Shisha?
What's going on now? You're happy that you got accepted?
I mean, look, you saw her. All right, now I'm suddenly the golden child, and you are the positive force in my life.
Yeah.
Itu IG baru,
but
iya itu IG baru
are you
aku yang lama masih kena suspend. Iya nih aku bentar lagi
What
tidur.
happened to you wanting to be in New York?
I mean, look, that's
Cantiknya,
right.
makasih ya.
All right, music is just another pipe dream.
Don't listen to my dad.
Okay, but it's not just your dad, all right? I mean, look, you know how many kids
Aku
work
off
their
dulu
asses
deh.
off making really
Aku mau
fucking
jogging
good beats
besok.
that just end up on SoundCloud? I mean, what am I supposed to do? Whine about getting
Bye-bye,
accepted to one of the greatest
makasih ya.
colleges ever? I mean, no, it's time to grow up, all right? And